I'm an expert. Hey, I tell you, it's coming together. It's coming together. I'm telling you. What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube page. So today we're gonna be unboxing some stuff that I bought from noon.com. It's actually two products that I bought from noon.com. So I'm gonna be opening up a vacuum cleaner. Yes, it's that small box. They wrapped it like this. So it's a very light mini vacuum cleaner. I'm gonna show you. And then I bought a lamp. And these two products are so cheap. I got them for 138 dirhams. This here vacuum I got at 99 dirhams. Can you imagine? I know, right? So I'm gonna be unboxing this and see how the vacuum works and whether it suctions the dust and everything, you know, to find whether it really cleans. I got this recommendation from a friend of mine, a colleague of mine, and I'm gonna be seeing how good it works. And also I saw some of the reviews on noon.com and I don't know, I kind of trusted it. I went with my gut, so I'm looking forward to trying this. So yeah, let's open this up. I'm trying to figure out how to open this. I'm just gonna tear it apart. It's called Deerma. Yeah. So they have this, what do you call it? It's like a manual. This is a warranty card. I guess it has warranty. Warranty is 2 years. Okay, 2 years of service, 12 months warranty. So it's like 1 year warranty, yeah. So that is it. That is the smaller part of. Wow, it has a big what do you call this? I don't know. It looks like it's really good quality, and the cable is, oh my god. This is the adapter I was afraid of, but I will work with it because it's not universal. It's like a, I don't know, 2-pin European. And then in the box there is this feels a bit plasticky, but it's okay. It's not as, you know, but what do you expect when you pay for 90 dirhams? 99, it's like 100 dirhams. And then there is the cleaner, the thing. What do you call it? I'm gonna have to open it like this. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put together one piece by one piece. I don't know what goes where, so I'm just gonna try and read the manual first. I'm an expert. Hey, I tell you, it's coming together. It's coming together, I'm telling you. And then, since that worked, I think that's it. I think that's it. My vacuum cleaner is full. Unless I want to remove this. The best part about this vacuum is that you could remove this and put this. You see this small suction brush thingy? You could vacuum your couch, vacuum your car, vacuum pretty much the small spaces between your car seats, or like under on your cushions, like this. This is the best one to go for. So yeah, I'm gonna try out the vacuum and see how it suctions. So I had to put my camera somewhere. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to start it. Okay, putting the adapter on, grab our vacuum there, and holy shit. Hold on. Okay. I think damn, it has so much power. So I think I put this one wrong. Damn, it's really suctioning. Like, I think I put it wrong or something, because it's not swiping forward. It's not moving. It's not moving this way, yeah? It's not moving this way. It's moving this way better. I don't know why. Because I'm trying to, or maybe I'm not supposed to. Okay, let's see. See? It's suctioning so much. I can't push it forward for some reason. See, pushing it forward like this to the level. Pushing it back to the level. It's not moving the way I want it to, but damn, it has already grabbed so much from my carpet. Look at that. But still, it's not moving the way I want it to. Like, you see, this motion, forward motion, I'm not getting. I'm only getting backward motion. I don't know why. So this vacuum, I will totally recommend. You know why? It cleans. I've cleaned. It's really nice. The wire is pretty thin, but it's a standard wire, but it's long, so you can go all the way to the kitchen, all the way to the bedroom. We're still using an adapter from the living room. Yani, it's nice. I would totally recommend this. Yeah. Now let's unbox my lamp. This lamp was only 39 dirhams. I really hope I'm not disappointed. But the thing is, whenever I buy anything from Noon, I'm really never disappointed. Yani, I don't know, I haven't shopped online with Noon like a long time or a lot, but whenever I do, I never get disappointed. But let's hope let's hope this lamp makes sense. It's so tiny. Compared to the picture, I thought it would be bigger. But let's see. Let's see. It has a lot of bubble wrap. So tiny. Aww. Let's see. I swear, on the picture, it looks so way bigger. It's because they packaged it like this. Let us see. Oh, it's not so tiny. No, it's just not put together. Okay. How do I take this apart? This is marble. Ooh, fancy. Noon does not disappoint. I'm not being paid by Noon, by the way. I will be shopping on Noon much more often. I will be shopping on Noon much more often. I will be shopping on Noon much. This is 39 dirhams. My goodness. I love it. 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 39 dirhams, y'all. For 39 dirhams, you get this. See that? Y'all see that? Do you see that? It's beautiful. It is beautiful. This is, and that's where you put your bulb. And then it has some a small like that. That's how it looks like. Oh, I love it. I just need a bulb. I did not buy a bulb. I love it. I love my mini lamp. I love my mini lamp. So cute. So cute. I love it. I will put this beside my bed. I will put this beside my bed. I love it. Really. I love Noon. Well, that's the end of tonight's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.